Hey, how is it going? In today's video, we will be talking about how to install necessary components in your machine to be able to start coding in Python and get to see the results. Throughout the video, I will show you how it is done on different operating systems, namely Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. You will find the OS-based tutorial for each OS on a separate video. Links to these videos will be in the description below, so let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install Python on Linux operating system, to be specific on Ubuntu. In order to do so, open up your terminal and refresh and update your repositories by typing sudo apt-get update. You will be prompted with your password. Type in your password. Depending on the last time you updated and refreshed, it's going to take longer or shorter. Assuming you have done updating your repositories, type sudo apt-get install Python 3. Now you are done, and check to see if it's really installed or not. Type in Python 3 version. As you can see, I have Python correctly installed. Now you are ready to start coding in Python. But another important thing to do right after installation is to install pip and setup tools. On Windows, during Python installation, pip is already installed, so don't worry about it. On Linux and Mac OS, you need to execute below command on the terminal. So type in sudo apt-get -y install Python 3 pip and hit enter. Alright, it's installed. Now let's check if it's really installed or not. Pip 3 version. Okay, I have the latest version of pip. Cool. Now, the first command I'm going to teach you in Python is going to be printing out the message you entered. So, still in terminal, type Python 3, and let's use Python's built-in function called print command. So type print, inside parentheses, use either double quotes or single quotes. Type I will smash the like button and hit enter. As you can see, our print command spitted out the message that reads I will smash the like button. Awesome. Now you are ready to get crazy and start coding in Python. So in order to save your code into a folder, you need to save your code in .py extension file. Alright, so let's create test.py. .py is a file extension of Python. Let's create test.py file in which inside we write print command. So let's write print I will like this video. Okay, Ctrl D to save it, and now let's run Python. Okay, sorry, we need to type Python 3. I will like this video. Awesome. Now you can choose your favorite text editor, or you can even use Nano as your favorite text editor. Pi, as you can see, print I will like this video. You can change the content. Let's say I will subscribe to this channel because why not? Okay, let's save it, let's exit. Okay, again run the command. I will subscribe to this channel, to this channel, because why not? Awesome. So this concludes today's tutorial, and make sure you are subscribed if you are interested in how to install Python on other operating systems like Windows or Mac OS. The links to these videos will be in the description below. Have fun. Thank you.